It's the night before, well, I guess it's technically the wedding day now. Here, wait. It's blurry. Okay, no, it's not. It's the night before the wedding. Hallie, how are you feeling?
Crazy. Super crazy.
Anything else to say before we go to sleep and see you again tomorrow?
Well, I'm super excited. Feeling super good. Thinking about what I'm gonna write for my vows.
Oh, are you cooking those up right now?
No, this is what I got so far. But the thoughts were in my head, and I thought I might just, this is my top 10 list that I have to rewrite because I accidentally wrote on the back side of it.
What is that, a to-do list?
Yeah. So I might just write it at the coffee shop because I know what I'm going to say.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully we have enough time for this dang coffee shop, or else I'm screwed.
Well, we'll help you think of something. Worst case, you can curl your hair while we...
That's true.
We can curl your hair while you cook stuff up.
That's true.
Well, is there any other parting message you want to...
Say, rehearsal dinner was lovely. Everyone looked so cute. The speeches were so good. And it just makes me super excited for tomorrow.
Okay, well,
I don't know whether to look at you or the camera.
I know, right? I don't know whether to look at you or the screen. Okay, well, bye. We'll check in on Hallie tomorrow.
Surprise!
Wedding day.
Wedding day.
Good morning. There's a little girl.
It's not like we're trying to talk to each other because I do need to.
There's a little girl selling multicolored chicken eggs outside. I was supposed to tell you.
That florist is my florist.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So is she coming? You're running after
Well,
this?
she works for that lady.
Oh.
But that is like those are them. That's so crazy.
What you doing?
Well, I'm looking through my to-do list, and then I'm gonna write my vows.
How did cleaning your ring go?
Good.
Ooh, look at that ring. Look how shiny that is.
The guy was so sweet. He was like, "Have a great wedding day," and I was like, "Thank you." But it looks so shiny right now. I just love it.
Wow. Oh, I lost focus. Wow. Look at those nails. Look at that hand. Such a fancy, hairless, beautiful hand.
What is that?
These hands are ready for a wedding. Oh, thank you. Coffee. Okay, well, we'll leave Hallie to write her vows.
Yes, that would be good.
Maybe we can just hang out right here while you write your vows.
Do you want me to just pretend to write something?
The vows are being written. Okay, well, bye, Hallie.
Bye.
She's done with the vows. About to pee her pants. So, yes. Ooh la la. Look at those vows. All done. Okay, well, she's gonna go to the bathroom. We'll check in later.
Yeah, I'll be
guys feeling about Hallie's wedding?
I'm gonna
Do you feel ready?
Oh.
cry so far. Ever since I got married, all I do is cry at weddings.
When is your prediction? Like, when are you gonna cry? How long are you gonna last?
Ooh, watching her like struggle up the stairs. For some reason that's gonna get me.
Hmm.
It's just so. Oh no! When her dad, like when your dad gives her away.
Oh. Yeah, and you'll be able to cry because you'll be done with having to focus on getting up the stairs yourself. You know, like not tripping, and then your mind will be
I'm
free.
worried about going down though. 'Cause, like,
Me
if
too.
you look down, we're all gonna have double chins in photos.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have to look down though. Those shoes, I'm too
just
wobbly.
look down and like this.
Yeah. Just
I'm sure Hallie won't post that picture.
exactly.
Yeah, I should send it to all of us.
How are you feeling?
Her and Jackson at my wedding.
Oh, that's cute.
So stoked. I'm
Yeah.
so ready to get in there right now and start curling her hair and just begin the process. And,
Are we gonna keep this country Broadway mix going for the?
Do we have
I
a
thought
wedding?
it would switch over to all Broadway.
Do we
Now
have a wedding playlist?
I think she made one, or did you make one?
I didn't make
She
one,
was
but I have
telling
one that
me
we could
something
use.
about that she had.
She does have a playlist on her Spotify called "The Current Vibe," which is what
Yes,
she wants
okay.
for her wedding. So
That's it.
What's that song that Ethan used to always play?
who?
Ethan. What's the song he used to always play? Was it kind of a country song? Like it's like a tree, and you just. What is it?
You have more than a tree?
We're here in Purcell, where Hallie and Jackson are getting married. Right over here.
See the theater.
Ooh, and the marquee. Here all at Purcell City Hall. Look at that.
Mentally here.
Post office.
Yeah.
I think she's feeling good today.
Hallie said yesterday that she felt drugged, so we'll see if she's feeling more with it today.
Oh no. You think her coffee works?
Hopefully.
She got her rounds or got oatmeal
She
in her
tried to
coffee?
get her bowels moving.
Before the dress gets on.
Oh, look at the marquee.
The window rolled down.
Yes. Look at that. Oh. The Adams. Oh. Okay, we're here. Time to get Hallie ready.
Oh my goodness.
Hallie, you're leaving here a wife.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Hallie, look at the marquee.
I know.
What are...
Okay, time to unpack, time to get ready. Time to lock in.
Okay, do you want me to unveil it right here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, wait, let me make sure it's...
Whoa, whoa. That is a treat.
wow.
Look at that. Oh dear.
Show it off.
Well, the wedding hasn't happened yet, so it's basically still Hallie's bachelorette.
Exactly. The last
still a
time she could enjoy it.
Oh, where was Mom?
She went inside.
Oh, I wanted to catch her entrance.
But yeah, Kelsey,
Go
all
get it.
my
The blanket
stuff,
was unveiled.
Even better.
I don't think I missed anything. Okay. Is anything in your car still?
I don't think so. The only thing that was left in my car was your green purse
Thank
that
you.
I brought it to the hotel now. Right? Right. We're not? Where's your curling iron at, Hallie?
In here.
You want to hand it to me?
Oh, it smells so good in here. Hi, good morning, Ish.
Happy wedding day! Any questions? I have a few. Okay, so these are the ones you were wanting me to.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Good. Getting the dress ready. It looks beautiful.
Hi.
Last night was so fun.
I need to turn around and speak
Okay, I'm about to do Hallie.
So we'll let you know when we're on the way. How about that?
Okay, sounds great.
Because we need to practice that best sling too. Okay, Nicole, I think we're clear, and I will talk to y'all soon.
Okay. Mama. Love you. Bye.
So, but if you go up and then you
I know, it switches my bangs the other way if I do that.
Hallie,
But
what are you thinking about the hair so far?
I'm loving it so
it gives
far.
them
Yeah.
volume and then they
Do you have any other thoughts right now?
those like perfect beachy waves right now.
Not really.
No. Have
Not
you?
Our curling iron's off.
If you wanted to get more like this,
Oh no.
really good, but honestly,
That might be why it's not working.
like beachy look you got going on like is really working. Okay. You know? Yeah. Yeah. No, I love it. I wouldn't mess with it, honestly. It looks great.
Okay, well maybe should I put on my mascara while it's heating up?
Where's sure.
I'm telling you, you were born to just live in a beach.
So really, we have enough of those napkins to do whatever we want. So, yeah, because there's 50 of
We're trying to create like a catwalk, so we need to like practice like your
That's
what it's
epic.
what it's probably gonna be is where we enter for the ceremony. I'm pretty sure it's the same entrance y'all are gonna take for this.
Yeah, give us a little example.
So like it'll be like, and Kelsey hailing, or I remember it's like Blakely hailing from Fort Worth, like flexing a hazelnut dress, something, and just walk with a lot of purpose and like a lot of like
Yeah. So was it
something like that.
Oh, just like that?
But we should all practice so
Yes.
that you feel super confident in yourself.
Okay.
I feel more
And the
confident
order-
in improvising.
What's cocktail hour?
Cocktail hour is right after they get married. So like right after the ceremony. Yes, yes, we will be buzzed. So it'll be fun. So we'll be extra confident.
I'm gonna read the script and we're all gonna practice. So what? I'm gonna read the
Oh, you're
script.
gonna read the script, okay.
Yes, I hope you guys like it.
Okay, that's part of the look. Very fabulous set of earth tone wedges. Get it, bro. Next one. Using that Hawaiian fan and a smile over Today, birthday is birthday that we've never seen before. This Sunday, all that at a time. Our fourth on this plate, hitting the run with global forward and living there. Shining.
Yes.
Toss. Last but certainly not least, Kelsey channeling her Mother Nature and nursing school exhaustion in this handmade mahogany silk frock singing birds. Strut it, Kelsey. And then give it up one more time for the bridal party.
Hey.
But
Okay, you're great. You're facing her tonight.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then y'all can look at each other. 1, 2, 3. Soft smile. Okay, queen. Okay. Is that everyone?
Okay, good. Do you want to step here? I can do the buttons since you're ready. Zip yourself in, and you got this strap good because that's part of what's gonna help you.
it's on the tie this one, right?
I don't know. I can't.
Sorry, I don't want to get in your way, so just move
It
me.
is.
You're sure? Okay, so you know that part as far as how this was feeling in the front.
I'm going to.
Okay. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Is all of our stuff out of the way?
Yes.
Okay, good.
You are good.
Okay, and I can't remember where all the wrestling things are too. I'm thinking about that. Okay, and let me see. Yeah, she said a good question. Let's go for this.
Sorry, I'm gonna scoop. Oh no, you're.
That is so cute.
Mm.
So cute.
I like that.
Okay.
I can't remember what she did.
Do you want to do first look with him now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let me. Do you want to do it? Do you want me to take the spot? I was gonna do like outside. in front.
Outside is do it in that lobby.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So it will be a little bit easier, but it doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
Do the first look in the front of the building, and then we'll take all the people. So then it's like just you, and everyone else is inside.
Yeah.
And then we'll take all
Yeah.
the yeah. Okay. He's already outside. Do you have it? Okay.
Is it yours?
Do you want it for the first look?
Okay,
Or
that's
do you want to have your
We were
hands
just
free?
saying, is it dripping?
Is it dripping?
It's wet.
Where's your hanky from, Henny?
Okay for your first list.
Oh.
Okay, what about the back of the dress that she's filling
I would
out?
say no, because
Save it.
You don't
Yes.
As she walks, just let it train behind her. It'll do its thing. Holly, don't hold your dress when you walk. Let it flow.
Okay.
Unless there's a puddle.
Going down the stairs with it?
Let me practice with
Yeah, let's try these stairs hold all this stuff.
Uh-oh, there she goes.
There she
Goes. There she goes again. Final thoughts, Mom?
No, I don't have any. I have to go find my lipstick.
We're choosing one thing after another to obsess over. I'm trying not to obsess over my nails right now. And we got the slideshow working, so that's good. Last sips of water for Katie.
Yeah, last sips of water, that's an important
Now
part.
we
Wait,
go.
Are you going down too?
Where's the Zoom?
Nice can.
Just tell me what you thought of the wedding, or tell me something about how you're excited for Hallie and Jackson.
Yeah, we're excited.
Gotta be loud.
Loud.
Yeah, we're excited. We saw the performance by Kason and all the shenanigans going on, but I'm hoping they enjoy lots of Star Wars movie marathons from here on out.
You look beautiful, Hallie.
Hello, my name is Sydney Ann Armstrong. I am your friend, and it's super cool watching you get married today. Super stoked, and love you guys dearly.
The wedding was great. The ceremony was short and sweet, and when I say sweet, sorry, that's funny. Top of my head. You can cut it there.
Okay, it's Mackenzie and Brooks, as you know. Sans Bowman, you know. We didn't know how we would do at the wedding, but he's so sad to be missing out on such a good ceremony.
Yes.
Yeah, we were taking bets on which bridesmaid would fall down the stairs, but luckily no one did, and it was great. Wait, who was the bet on?
We thought either Blakely or Kelsey was gonna fall down the stairs.
Yeah, because we're not really used to it.
And then
Was it really just me and you're just throwing Kelsey's name
no,
in there?
Kelsey was there too.
No,
But then I
definitely
saw how high Blakely's heels were, and I was like, she's actually got a chance to fall down the stairs.
True, but they did great. They did look down the whole time, but it's totally.
I really wanted to see Caleb's reaction to Blakely falling down the stairs more than
It would have been like, maybe. But anyways, we love you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Adams, and yes, thank you.
Have a happy life.
Yes. Let me get out of the way. Hey, Hallie and Jackson. Wait, Joe. Hey, we're super excited you guys are getting married. Oh my God. They got married. I know. All right, I started over. Hey, Hallie and Jackson. We're super excited you guys got married.
You did it.
I did it.
You're here. Congratulations.
Join the club. Party rockers. Hi, Hallie and Jackson. This came off the floor. Oh my God. It's not dirty. You cleaned it. Your wedding is great. We're having a blast already. Haven't even gotten a drink yet or nothing. Yeah, and by the time you see this, everything's gonna be said and done. You're gonna have the best day ever. You're already having the best day ever.
Oh, they're totally really good at this office.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Have a good night, guys.
All right, tell me you have a message for Hallie and Jackson? Yes! Go for it. I think you look very pretty today.
Jackson, we are so happy for you guys, Hallie.
Hey, what's the name of this boat?
Wait, turn it actually so I can get the series.
You look like you'd have a boat with like a really fun man.
Hey, how do you feel post-wedding?
My mom and I do.
My mom.
What?
Her mom
that was your line? Your one line to memorize?
I'd say full throttle.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Let's just say, I'm glad we did it now and not like a week from now, because then the dress wouldn't have fit her anymore.
Whoa, what is that about? Let's go. That's big time.
I know, I'm trying to drop hints that Hallie's pregnant, but she's not. So I just thought it'd be funny.
Oh, okay. I was like, if I didn't know y'all were like the closest siblings ever, I'd be like, that's just like a rude weight joke.
No, just trying to drop hints.
Arthur, you have anything to say to Hallie and Jackson?
Did you get that part? You should get the explanation. Shotgun.
Go.
Say what you feel.
Go.
Oh, hi Hallie. I love the ceremony. It was so sweet and I cried the entire time.
You look like a princess.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, how am I looking?
Perfect.
I know. What do I say?
Whatever you want. A message for Hallie and Jackson.
Okay. Hi guys. I love you. I'm so proud of both of you. And happy wedding, Mo. Love you.
All right, a message for Hallie. Message for Hallie and Jackson.
Congratulations, y'all. I'm so excited for y'all. I hope you enjoy all the Star Wars. And Hallie, you need to take Jackson backpacking out. Y'all are married. Because he needs to experience that. Yes.
One.
Oh, congratulations. You love us so much. So excited for you. So excited. Oh, you guys, so excited for you. Just crazy friend the whole time. Hallie, you are the most beautiful. Yes. So pretty. I'm so excited.
Sarah, how do you feel now that the wedding's over?
Oh, I can have a cocktail. It's cocktail time. I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. I'm so relieved for them to start their life together. Today.
Okay, thoughts on food?
Fantastic. Couldn't be any better. Very good, very tasteful.
Very good.
Couldn't be any better. The best food I've ever had. I walked into the room and I said, wow, this is good food.
Let's hear it for the father of the bride. I would now like to call up the first woman in Jackson's life. Let's hear it for the mother of the groom, Karen.
Congratulations, Sally.
That was easier than I thought.
I'm glad it was, yeah. Wait, what do you think would be so difficult about it?
The pressure.
That is so, okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
That's your husband. Yeah, that's your husband. I see. Woohoo! Let's go! Yay! Woohoo! Woo! It's gonna go! Yay! Oh!
Good job, Jackson. Let's go.
Nice!
Hallie, no pressure. You got it. You got it. Got it.
Woohoo! It's going so well. Yay! Woo-hoo!
Friends and family, you guys are staying.
So, you're newly married?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
Pretty great.
Exuberating.
Woohoo! Look at that. Look at that. Have you guys signed the license yet?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, we have not, so like technically we're not married, but
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Very special night. So again, we thank you very much for being here. Notes, because I'm proud of myself. I can even remember the 5 words I said during the ceremony. So I'm gonna look down at my sheet here for a second. But Jackson and Hallie, we could not be happier for you. We're more excited to welcome Jackson to our family. We've loved seeing how happy he makes you, Hallie. We know that you guys are going to be great together. One quick anecdote I wanted to tell that Hallie said to Sarah when they really first started dating. She said that Jackson gets her. And so Sarah asked her to elaborate. And said, well, what do you really mean by that? And she said, well, I mean, I just feel like he lives life at the same pace as me. And so whatever that really means to Hallie, I mean, it was good. And we appreciate that, Jackson. We kind of heard it tonight in your top 10. We heard her say that. Something we've also heard her say is when you were born, I told Mom that she was about to meet her best friend. And I think that's been true for 24 years now. And now, congratulations, Hallie. You just got to marry your best friend.
Oh. Okay, it's recording, so just don't press anything and it's good to go. Okay, perfect.
I'm filming. I'm on. I'm on. I gotta get the
Stop. Thank you, baby.
mutual decision. This is what this means to us. What does it mean?
I'm tying it wrong. Oh. She's gonna be the next to have a baby.
Oh, baby.
So you've been married 50 years or more. 50 years or more. Come on down to our dance floor.
And I'm gonna travel. Martha and I traded. I don't want to have a baby next. Thank you for filming. Of course. Look at all those people. Literally. Hey!
You've been married 40 years or more. Come on down to our dance floor. You've been married 30 years or more. Come on down. If you've been married 20 years or more, please come on down. You know the door to the bed, son. You're the light in the deepest, darkest night. You're the savior. You've been married 10 years or more. Come on down. You 5 years or more, come on down. If you've been married 1 year or more, come on down. And if you've been married literally today, come on down to our dance floor.
Sorry, thanks.
We got one final song. Everybody else, you guys can join in. Anyone else who'd like to join them on our dance floor?
About to sign their marriage license! Oh, sorry. Hey! Where is it? Here? Michelle, fight for that white gold. Solid, wallet, live it up in the city. Got trucks on me, sitting around me. Kiss myself, it's too hot. Hot damn. The fireman, too hot. Hot damn. Hey, damn. Hey, you're better. They're about to sign it, mama. Don't believe me, just walk. Come on. Mississippi. Hey, show up, hey, too hot, hot damn. Police and the firemen, too hot, hot damn.
Thank you, church.
turn to sign.
Oh, it's my turn to sign? Whoa. It's legal! Oh, I'm hitting the dance floor right there. They just signed their papers. They signed it. They signed their papers just now. It's illegal. They just signed their papers. Hey.
So Hallie and Jackson, while I got you out here on our
Down. Hallie and Jackson.
She said,
down.
Did you get this picture?
I'm getting it on video.
Okay.
How was the wedding for you guys?
Fabulous wedding. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So much fun.
Good. Hey guys, say a quick statement for the camera.
Wowza, that was great. That was one of the best weddings I've ever seen. I said, hold on. State of the Universe, that's one of the best weddings I've ever been to. They say you couldn't top this. They say, wow, it's so great. And long time, it's gonna be great. Can't take it easy, everybody.
Good job. Thank you, President. Okay, it's about time. Okay, I think we're good. Do you guys have a statement about how you enjoyed the wedding?
Oh, it was fabulous.
Good.
Couldn't have enjoyed it more.
Yay! Okay, I'll be over here, I guess. Hello. Oh no, it went all blurry. Okay. I don't really know how to work this thing, so. Hi! Okay, now it's fixed. It's good. How did you guys like the wedding?
It was great.
Had
Such
fun?
a beautiful night.
Are you ready for yours?
Oh yeah.
Are you ready for yours? You got it all planned?
We're good. Ready to go?
Good. I'm ready to go to yours. So
Hey, I can't wait for you all to be there.
I don't have my outfit picked out or anything yet, but I'm emotionally ready.
Okay.
Okay, good.
That's all that matters.
You don't have yours either. Yeah, your outfit ready?
Yeah. She's ordered.
Okay, well that's good. That's good.
He said it'll be a couple more minutes.
Hey, what happened to my wine? Did you drink it? Chase, what happened to their champagne flutes? Are they still full?
Okay, they were non-alcoholic.
No, they were still full.
They were non-alcoholic. But what happened to my wine?
What happened to my wine?
Oh no.
But it's still yours. You're gonna go home with it.
I have like 75 bottles. So I
have Sharpies.
No.
I mean, if y'all are down.
No.
I have Sharpies inside of me.
Hey. Hey. Whoa. Hey.
Were they as fun as you thought they'd be?
Even more fun than I thought they'd be.
She picked her flowers.
Oh. Are they Oh, no, not yet. You said what? You said what, Mom?
Daffy Duck.
What did you say?
I said they picked their flower girls well.
Yes, they did.
Oh,
They have pretty flower boys.
I purposely didn't put my hair up because I didn't want to be that girl at my daughter's wedding. And then I was so hot, and I found this. I found this hairband in the bathroom. I think some little girl left her bracelet in there, and I put it in my hair. I was so hot.
You're resourceful.
I was so hot. And I'm resourceful.
Yes, you are.
Ow.
We should be doing sparklers. But flower petals will work. Flower petals will
We should have a champagne toast at the exit. That's what we should have.
can't
But
have
we had the
liquor outside.
Oklahoma.
More
homie.
champagne. No.
Arthur looking at you. He wants to know. He wants you to tell. He wants to tell you how you like the wedding.
Oh. How did you guys like the wedding?
I cried three times. Actual tears 3 times.
Yes, I feel you. Just like trying to keep the makeup good.
About to cry a 4th time.
Oh yes, oh yes. How did you guys like the wedding? You fancy it? Good. Good, good, good. How about you? How about you guys?
Oh man, awesome. Yes. Congratulations.
Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. Okay. Hi guys. Hi guys.
The Voglers know how to party or what? Yeah.
Hey, the Adams now. Hey.
Hey, party wherever we go. That's what we're saying. Yeah. Kelsey just said, I put the camera on her. She goes, do the Voglers know how to party or what?
They're off the rails.
And Brett just said, and New Year's Eve, we're good. And then Paul said, we got party 1, party 2, party 3. Let's go. Oh, look alive. Look alive. I gotta move. I gotta get out of the way. Get out of the way. Okay. They picked their
I'm just hoping Jackson's driving, because if he's not, it's going to be real awkward.
Signature move right there.
Yes. We love you. Bye, Holly. Bye, Jackson. Can you both do it?
MVP! MVP! MVP!